In this video, I'll show you how to create a Thinkorswim account and get access to the trading platform. Before we begin, keep in mind that Thinkorswim is now provided by Charles Schwab. If you already have an eligible Schwab brokerage account, you can use your existing Schwab login details to access Thinkorswim. If you don't have an account yet, you'll first need to open one through the official Charles Schwab website. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Schwab website. Make sure you're on the correct website before entering any personal or financial information. Once the website loads, click the Open an Account button near the top of the page. You'll then see the available account types. Depending on your needs, you may be able to choose an individual brokerage account, a joint account, a retirement account, or another available option. Read the description of each account carefully, select the one that works best for you, and click Continue. Next, enter your personal information. This may include your full name, email address, phone number, residential address, date of birth, and identification details. U.S. applicants may also be asked to provide a Social Security number or taxpayer identification number. International applicants may need a tax identification number, passport, and proof of residence. The exact requirements will depend on your country and account type. After entering your personal information, create your Schwab login credentials. Choose a secure login ID and password that you'll remember, but avoid using information that would be easy for someone else to guess. You'll then be asked to provide information about your employment, income, financial situation, investment objectives, and trading experience. Answer each question accurately, as Schwab uses this information to review your application and determine which trading features are appropriate for your account. You may also have the option to request additional features, such as margin trading or options trading. Keep in mind that these features require separate approval and may not be available to every account. Once you've completed the application, carefully review all the information you entered. Read and accept the account agreements, disclosures, and terms and conditions, then submit your application. Schwab may ask you to verify your identity or provide additional documents before approving the account. You should receive updates about your application by email. After your account is approved, sign in to your Schwab account and fund it using one of the available deposit or transfer methods. Next, visit the official Thinkorswim website. On the login screen, enter your Schwab login ID and password. You may also see an option for paper trading, which allows you to practice using simulated money before placing real trades. If you only want to explore the platform without opening a brokerage account, you can sign up for a Thinkorswim guest pass instead. This gives you temporary access to explore the platform and practice using its tools. And that's it. You now know how to create an account and get started with Thinkorswim. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.